Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Choice Watch 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So let's get started. Of course, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HONOR Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HONOR Health application. In the app, we can tap on device. And here you should see your HONOR Choice Watch 2 Pro. Make sure that the battery level is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure that it's charged. And once it is, we can open this page by tapping on the watch itself. So you can select the watch basically, then scroll through this page, tap on Restore Factory Settings, and tap on OK. The watch will disappear from the device page and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application on the phone that is paired with it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.